Fix can't hear audio when editing your videos on the CapCut Android app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for CapCut. Make sure that you have the latest version of the CapCut application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there is an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the CapCut application on our device. Then tap on App Info and it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear the data. So just go to App Info and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on it and then you can clear the cache and tap on OK. Now if this does not solve the issue, you can just go to your settings application on your device. And as you tap on settings, make sure that you have your sound and vibration option. So tap on it. And as you tap on it, make sure that you have your media volume to the maximum, to the ringtone to your maximum, so that you do not have your voice to the minimum. Make sure that you do not have your phone in a silent mode, and also focus that your phone is not in DND mode. So right now you can see the phone is in DND mode, so you can just toggle off this option and now you can just go and check and this might fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.